Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's scroll down and find backup to Google Drive and tap on it. So and now our device will immediately transfer us to the sign in option, so just tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Of course, if you've got your Google account added, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, so just give me a sec. Alright, and tap on next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And now we can decide what kind of data I would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both. I'll pick only this one and tap on confirm. And now the backup is ready to backup. We can tap on other device data, and here we can check some details about our account. So for example, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. And this option, but I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.